So,
how's it going, man? Good morning. Registration tent.
Do you need to register?
Good morning.
Good morning.
how are you?
All right.
Good to see you.
There's trouble.
You in a race?
No. So good to see you. Keep working on getting better, eh?
I think about it with
Suspension fork. That's awesome. All right, first group of racers lining up. You got a few minutes yet? All right, this is the beginners group. Pre-race instructions by the race director, Steve Force. Everyone looks pretty excited. There they go. Yoo-hoo! Go get him, Daniel. Go get him, Ashley. All right, Joe, you got this. Yoo-hoo! All right, you're racing number 2. All right, we're here at the first road crossing. Actually, the second. The first one is at the start line. And it's starting to rain. Oh, yeah. This should be. Here comes our first one. You. All right, Ashley. Woohoo! All right, you're winning. You're gaining on him. Yeah. Daniel. Woohoo! You did it. The finish line crowd. I think white was the wrong choice of color for today.
You're just gonna see how badass he is.
Right? Woo! You guys look almost famous. Woohoo! Advanced are gone. This is the intermediate group getting ready to go. Take off. Yeah, number 66.
Yes, no, it's at 54. Right! Joe, you got Urlacher's number. He's good. You got Jordan's number. But Jordan with the White Sox.
Alright, here come the advanced through the first road crossing. Go get him, Max. Go get him, Kerry.
For the lead group.
Go get him, guys. Number 1 in the women right now. All right, go get him. You got this, Bjorn. Woohoo! Hey, Melinda. Yeah, rocking it.